Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. I'm Wanda, and today we're going to be talking about the Bear yogurt maker. Now Bear sent me this, and toward the end we're going to talk about a giveaway, but it comes with, this is the main unit. It's round, a plastic see-through lid so you can see what's going on. It's like a mini crock pot. It plugs in and it's digital here across the front. We'll get to that in a little bit. But they also send 2 of these glass containers with 2 lids that, let me show you these lids. It's got the little bear on it for Bear. When you go to put it on your thing, on your jar, you mash it this way. It's got a little hole here for air. This is rubberized like you would have if you were sealing something. And once you put this on, I'll show you. Put it on here, suck it down, then you mash it closed and it takes the air out. You want to open it, mash it, and I have to take it down to do this, pull it out, and it's off. So they send 2 of these. There's a reason. We'll talk about that in a minute. They send this little basket. It's like a draining basket. They send a different lid that has no air holes. And it doesn't fit this, okay? They sent this lid which goes over this. It has no air holes because you're just mainly keeping things out of your cheese. This is for cheese anyways, but this is what this lid fits. Then they send 4 of these little yogurt cups. They're glass with their own little lid, perfect yogurt size. So this is why I didn't show you the second one. Look, this is my yogurt. They also send an instruction booklet on how to make yogurt and cheese, and you can even ferment juices. All right, so to use this has functions on it for Greek yogurt and cheese and drinks and just regular yogurt. So when it comes on, you mash this button that says function, and the light goes to whichever one you want, and then you hit confirm, and it tells you how many hours you have left, and every hour it drops. Like if it's 8 hours to make yogurt, it starts out 8, then later you look, it's at 7, 6. You can tell how many hours left on it. Now the instruction manual was the one thing that I had a problem with. The ingredients are in milliliters and stuff like that, and I didn't know what they were. So I had to do my own math and write it at the top. That's all you have to do, guys. Go to the computer, figure it out. Now, the one thing with the instructions was they were not very clear on how to do things. That was my biggest issue, was the instructions. Okay, so when you're using this for yogurt, make sure you have yogurt that is plain yogurt, or you have the powder or the culture for starting yogurt. I did not have the culture, so I went to town, bought plain yogurt, and just added the 1/4 cup of yogurt to the milk. I bought a 1/2 gallon of milk and a small thing of yogurt, just plain yogurt, to make the yogurt. You add 4 1/4 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of yogurt. You stir it really well. Okay, this is the yogurt that I made. Mash that, open it up, and it's a thin, mine is thin. It's not as thick as I would have liked, but it's perfect for what I've been doing. So the yogurt turned out really pretty decent. It's a touch tangy because there was no sugar added. I just made the yogurt as it is, plain yogurt. Now, what I've been doing with this yogurt is I have cubes of apple juice that I've made ice cubes. I've been throwing 3 cubes of apple juice ice cubes, I guess you would say. I did 1 of a pomegranate juice. Over in my Ninja, I added about half a cup of this yogurt and about half a cup of milk, and I blended it all together, and I added a touch of honey one time, and I added a touch of sugar the second time just to see the differences, and that makes an awesome shake. Adding this yogurt to it is perfect. It's wonderful. The ice cubes give it that cold feeling. It's great on a hot day like we've been having. Now, the cheese. This went 6 hours in here, and it shuts off automatically. Then I let it cool a while, put it in the refrigerator. It says 3 hours, and you want to open it up. I sterilized another glass container and the drain basket, and we're going to pour that in. You want to get all the moisture out of it, so we're going to let it sit here and drip. I'm going to put the lid on it, and we'll come back in a little bit and see what our cheese looks like. With the cheese, use 3 1/3 cups of milk and 3 1/3 tablespoons of lemon juice or white vinegar. I use lemon juice, and this makes a soft white cheese. Now, it was great for adding to casseroles. I made this up, and when I had my casserole, my meat and my veggies and all mixed up, instead of using a cream of can of whatever, I threw in about half a cup or better of this cheese. Mixed it up. It was wonderful. I mean, great to add to casseroles. So, the Bear yogurt maker. It works well. It makes yogurt, it makes cheese. I have not fermented the juices yet. It's very easy to operate. You take the base. You need to use boiling water and sterilize all this here, this glassware first. Put your product in, your milk, your yogurt, whatever you're making for cheese, yogurt. You sit it in this base. You put this cap over it. Set your time for yogurt, cheese, whatever you're making, and it turns out wonderful. Now, Bear is going to do a giveaway. If you would like this yogurt maker, in the comments below, tell me that you would like a yogurt maker. I'll pick a winner, send the name to Bear, and they will take and send you your own yogurt cheese maker. This is awesome. I like it. These little cups come in very handy. I haven't dished up my yogurt yet into these cups because I've been using it in shakes, but I'm fixing to put some in the cups. You can take the yogurt and add anything you want to. I have huckleberries, blueberries, blackberries, you name it. I've got all these berries. I've got apples. I've got figs, peaches, pears. All these things are starting to come in, and strawberries. If you've got them, add it to it. If you need sweetener, add honey, add your stevia, add whatever you have as a sweetener to it, your sugar, whatever you need. Mix it up, make it taste good. I added vanilla. I mixed mine up and added a touch of vanilla to it. So, hey, it's doable. If you're interested in the Bear yogurt maker, comment below. And we'll talk to you later from Crazy Days.